Let's see what the price is. $4.99. That was a good one. I kind of want to just buy this because it's from the Pick and Save. There's not a lot of wrapping paper on there, but how cute is that? It's actually 10 cents more than Pick and Save charged for back in the day. $5 value. No shortage of Christmas around here. I like that plate. I really want to find more Santa mugs. They actually sell really well year-round. Well, that's cute. Too late for Halloween. All right, come on, savers. $15.99 for 3 cotton balls. That ain't happening. Bag wall has gone up.
So we're at that time of year. Do we buy Christmas stuff or do we not? Because by the time we ship it out or people come get it in the store, it might be too late for decor.
People buy Christmas year-round.
It is true. We can sell Christmas in like May, no big deal. Oh, did you see these? 1st. What are these? These little horns? They're plastic.
I'm not liking them.
I was hoping they were brass or something.
I gotta buy the winking Santa because he's cute.
Yeah, I feel like that's a good one.
He's like, hey, well, he's got duck lips.
Oh, I'm trying to spell some stuff here. Boy. Loy to the world. Look, there's even a little manger scene set up back behind in that book. That's actually kind of cool. Oh, it's fake book. I thought it was a real book for half a second.
We're gonna get these because people use them. They put like a piece of wood in the bottom and make like platters or whatever.
We have yet to try that. We need to do it and show them. It's an entire set here. The sleighs are gravy boats. Is that missing something?
Yeah.
Oh, it's missing one of the pillars up that goes up.
And it's $15. And if you're
$15 and missing pieces? That's a pass.
Hard pass, then.
That's a big sign down there.
A big N.
Home sweet home and an N.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the F.
There's also the sign. You gotta get down here on the bottom level and really look for the good stuff. We'd probably snag this, but Jami does not love grape decor. Just saying. She's on the hunt for the bag wall. Anything on the bag wall today?
The bag wall is spendy. Like it's usually like
$4.99, $5.99
for this tacky little bunny.
Wow.
The word got out about the bag wall and they raised the prices.
You roll this, and that's how you gotta be for the day. Be awesome. Coffee break. Oh, there you go. Do not quit. Stay focused. Lunchtime. Work hard. What if you roll it at lunchtime and you don't get lunch because it just told you to stay focused? That's me. It's like 5 o'clock. I'm like, oh, I haven't eaten anything today. Oh, I'm beelining. $9.99. You a buyer?
I'm a buyer because I got a coupon.
You got the coupon. Hey, look, another grape platter.
Oh, look how pretty this is.
Oh, this one's not grapes.
That wasn't glued on. It's still pretty.
You better tell someone you did that. Are you gonna still buy it without the glass thing in there?
I feel like I kind of have to, but the price is on the mirror.
But what do you think about my brass plate with the guys?
And it was an old mirror. I'm in mourning over here, okay?
You're in mourning over the old mirror?
Yeah.
Careful, careful. Well, they're telling on you.
I'm just gonna kick it under here
Oh,
and tell somebody.
yeah, get it out of the way, but we
I
need
don't
to...
want somebody to come inside.
Here, I'll stand over the top. Oh, look at those. I'm snagging these too, for sure. $6.49 for 3. I'm doing it.
Oh, those are cool.
I'm just trying to see if it's tarnished or what it is. $4.99. You didn't say anything about my plate. No on the plate? $10.
I know. I would like it just because I like to plant stuff in them for spring.
This must have been for like a luau or something. Wow, those are glued on good. They're like not coming off.
Oh, is it?
I mean, we can probably soak them off. It looks like it's hot glue.
No, it came right out.
All right, hot glued on there.
So this is aluminum, but it's got this embossed design in it.
Oh, that just looked dirty to me from across the aisle. That's cool.
No, it's a design. That's cool. I'm buying that. And it's $3.99.
$3.99. That's like the best deal in here.
It's kind of top of the mark, but we are getting 20% off, and it's worth at least $12.95. With Valentine's Day coming, heck yes.
All right, it's hard for me to pass up, but when you're out looking for rolling pins, plastic here, you want to avoid that if you can. Also, big split down the whole thing.
Also $4.
And $4, like we buy them for $1 at the DI. What do you think of this little dish? Oh, for $4.99, I'm gonna have to pass.
Zeb, look!
Oh, sheep mold.
And it's actually old.
That's a good one though.
French pâtisserie.
That's good. Like the shape of it is good.
I wanted to give him a little lesson. So this is cheap. See the rose gold color, not tin on the inside. This is copper that's been tinned to bacon. They're both $5.99. This one is worth it. This one I'd only spend $1 or $2 for. Pro tip.
Yeah, I really like the little juice pitchers. They're fun.
This is
and
more like a gravy boat.
Gravy or syrup, you know, it's probably a quart. And we're back. That's $20?
But I'm pretty sure this is like silver plated.
Is that silver plated?
Let me look at the brand. How do you spell that?
Sabatier. What is that?
Silver salt and pepper shaker set?
Is it salt and pepper?
Yeah, it's...
$7.99. Why?
I don't know. That's way too much.
Like, if it was $3, I'd have bought it. Oh, look at these roosters on this. Do you think those would be cool painted? $5.99.
Oh, yeah. For sure.
And they even have the right shade. We could skeleton shade them.
Clean it
Oh,
up.
we could paint the shade too. We've done that.
Yeah, that's good.
It's not bad. I mean, it just depends on how far you want to go with it.
Too much.
There's a globe. If this was metal, I would go for it. The metal ones I always get. The plastic ones I don't. So spied this. Missing the tray, but it has the lid. Hang on. I'm looking. $9.99. It's like the walk of thrifting shame over here. You got to come all the way down. All the thrift stores in Utah have been doing this. They like start an aisle, and then they just help the next person who's available at the register. I don't know if we got enough stuff here, but we got some good stuff. All right, so we were driving down the road. We're up here in Mill Creek, and we saw this, the Thrift Boutique. We've never been here before. I didn't know that places like this existed where we hadn't thrifted at. So we're gonna go in and pop in and check it out. Oh man, this place is fancy.
I said boutique, they were not lying.
So fancy, but not out of range. We're not in the market for more chairs, but $20, that's a good deal. Oh, this is actually old. You can tell by the drawers. Yeah. Pricing's actually pretty good here.
Yeah, that's cute.
$3?
Does anybody know this reference? Definitely showing my age with that one. And I can't wear an extra small, but Eliza will like that for dance.
They've got a lot of hutches here that are actually old. I'm gonna come through here with you. This is cool. I like the silver tops on those. How come yours was 3 and mine's 8? Oh, it's because this is real. Little apothecary jar, we'll take it. Take that. I kind of like this little cutting board. No price on it though.
I feel like we took care.
We'll ask him about it. I am in the wrong vehicle. Oh, that's not old, it's for TV. You can always tell if it's old, like, looks awesome up here, right? I actually really do love that. It's pretty rare to see it go all the way back, but hole for a TV in the back and wired up for it.
All these say king wedding gift. I found like 3 of them so far. So I found these. These are Reed Berry Russ or something like that. These are collectible. They sell anywhere from $15 to $40. World's Best Father. This is the one I like. I think you're nice. And they're $1 a piece, so I feel like they're worth a gamble.
Yeah, you can't really go wrong on that.
Yeah.
Another TV. Man, I'm loving that.
That would make a great display.
It would make a good display.
But the centerpiece is kind of...
Well, you just put stuff all in there.
Oh, shelves.
500.
I don't want to have to move this thing.
No, well, it comes in pieces.
But this would be cool, like painted and put in there.
Yeah, it would.
I don't think it's gonna sell fast, so let's just remember that. Paper mache, and they actually look like bunnies, not jackrabbits. This would be super cute in a spring display, so I'm gonna score these. All right, guys, thanks for coming thrifting with us. It wasn't what we planned for this week, but it's what we had time for.
Well, and it was fun. We went to a couple new stores we haven't been to, and I really enjoyed that.
Yeah, it's always fun when you can find new places to thrift. If you guys want to see this haul in action along with a few other items that are not here, check out our Saturday thrift haul. We're going to get that all loaded and then we'll be ready for this weekend. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Vintage for more
DIY.